Hey, I'm back. Just want to make a quick video. No, not this one. We got another one here. It took me some time to make this video as I was disappointed on how this turned out. I was honestly expecting a lot from this trade, thinking that's gonna be my new banner trade for the year, but it didn't materialize. It's like a heartbreak. Just practicing some chest bumps there. I'm not even sure if I'm doing it right. Gotta be better in that space. Yeah. In any case, a $39,000 win is still okay, I think, in my opinion. Let's see how it happened. The trade was ENVX. I like entering new positions when the volatility is low. So when the algorithm, TipTicks, was able to determine an entry back in October 25, I decided to join the madness. My average buy-in was 24.5, cut was around 22.5, and I think I got around 6,500 shares. You're gonna see it here, somewhere here, the actual number of shares. So with that figure, if I was wrong in the trade, I would have lost around $13,000. Oh buddy, that's a lot. Thank God I was correct on this one. I rode the trade. This time around, I was using the 10-day moving average as my trail profit. Basically, the 10-day moving average is just this line over here. I was expecting this to reach somewhere between 40 to 50. Nothing wrong with dreaming. And I was very confident it was gonna happen. So with that kind of thinking, it led me to be more aggressive with the other trade ideas and venture out of my trading system. And usually when this happens, it backfires. And it eventually did. Oh buddy. Knowing that I have that loss in my bag, I had to make sure that I win in this ENVX trade. So when this gap update happened back in November 9, I raised my stop to the 5-day moving average from the 10-day moving average. This line over here. My logic for moving the stop from the 10-day moving average to the 5-day moving average is that if the gap is really strong, the gap should have held and shouldn't retrace back to the previous day's close. I guess it's not that strong. So I got out at around 30.20, such a bummer, and it bounced back right after. Oh God. Only goes to show that I'm never gonna be perfect in this game. It's just something that I should live with. It would have been so nice if I got out at around 34. That would have been an extra 20 grand for me. Not sure, you figure it out. I'm not sure, but it is what it is. It wasn't able to live up to my expectation of 40 to 50, nor I was able to sell it perfectly. Very disappointing, but at the end of the day, I still made monies in this trade. Just gotta keep on improving. It's that kind of game. So some of the takeaways from this experience: 1, it's nice to have expectations, but it's better to have plans A and B. 2, use the 5-day or 10-day moving average as your trail profit whenever you're ahead. I honestly can't pin down which one to use. It just basically depends on my mood or risk tolerance for that engagement. Lastly, take it one trade at a time. Summing things up for the period, this is how it performed. I'm not gonna count the ETHE trade as it is more of a crypto related one. This $10,000 loss, I really hate it. Perhaps I'm gonna make a video about it. Anyhow, if you're curious about the algorithm I'm using, TipTicks, check it out at tipticks.com. You're not gonna see much there right now as the market environment doesn't fit our strategy. We're just gonna keep on waiting until the environment suits our strategy again. Now, if you learned a thing or two, click the sub button. I'm gonna highly appreciate it. It's almost the end of the year and I'm not really sure if I'm still going to be able to pull out another good win. Let's see. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Oh man, thank God that was correct on this one. I hope it was recording.